I'm Janelle Copeland, and I'm the founder of the Cake Mamas. I also created a community for bakers for all over the world to come and learn together and grow called Cake Sense. Sometime in 2017, I created an 8-week online course called Passion to Profit, where I can bring entrepreneurs in the baking industry together, teaching them how to create profitable businesses. In 2018, as many of the students began to graduate, they wanted more. They needed a place to go for community and connection, and they wanted to meet the people that they had become really good friends with and had these amazing transformations with. And I needed to create something for them to be able to do that. It needed to be in real life, because in real life connections, you get to hug and support each other and wipe each other's tears off and laugh together and try hard things together. And so I wanted to create a community where women could come together in an amazing environment, be away from their day-to-day activities, all the stresses of being a mom or a wife or bakery owner, running the day-to-day activities, and just be in a place that gave them peace and made them feel abundance and made them feel like anything was available to them. And now we host them several times a year. Women from all over the world come and they attend, and it's just this amazing sisterhood where bonds are formed and lives are transformed.
The cake community has never felt like this for me before, so it's so great to feel like I have 15 other girls that are like cheering for me and we can support each other, so I feel just supported. I am so much more fulfilled and have such a better focus and a more clear vision of who I want to be, that when I come back, I'm a better mom, I'm a better wife, I'm a better business owner. It's important for me to make sure that I'm being fulfilled so that I can do what I need to do for everyone else in my life.
Everyone gets along so well. It's exactly like it is on Passion to Profit and Facebook when we all talk to each other. Everyone is so much nicer and more welcoming, and when everyone is, it's easy to just be comfortable and be yourself. You say that it's awesome, but it's better than you could ever imagine. I think I'm going to be so much better prepared to enter my new shop, my new life. I feel like I can't even imagine how different things will be when I go back. I'm ready.
After being in Cake Sense and going through Passion to Profit, IRL wasn't even a second question to me. I had to meet the woman that changed my life, so I said, take my money, and I went for it. Being in IRL has been life-changing. They don't tell you that it's just to save your bakery, it's to save your life. Being a bakery owner isn't just about running a bakery, it's finding who you are and what your true passion is, and taking it to the next level. Being with the women that you know have been in your place and aren't gonna judge you. It's comfortable to open up and tell them what your flaws are and what's holding you back.
I don't know if I can actually do it.
And it helps you actually know that you can succeed.
I've had several breakthroughs. The amount of clarity I gained, the amount of knowledge and support and love that I gained, I can't even put it into words. It was so amazing.
So the IRL retreat is not just for bakers. It's about stepping into your power as a woman. It's about gaining more confidence. It's about finding clarity so that way you know what next steps to take your life and your business to the next level. So we bring in guest speakers, lots of different facilitators that can come and just create an experience for our women to help them grow and continue to develop into these amazing business owners and entrepreneurs.
We all came in with the same struggle, and I think we're all leaving way better people. I'm ready to reclaim my life and just be in love with myself again. That's, I think, the biggest takeaway for me.
didn't know what we were going to do. I didn't know where we were going to be. And I think that's incredible. Like, just kind of take that leap of faith with all these women. You're in good hands no matter what.
I was not actually supposed to be at IRL until 2020. I had all the excuses. I couldn't find people to watch my kids, and my husband wouldn't get off work, and it was like I was saving for next year instead of this year. You will be surprised if you put something out into the universe that you really desire. The universe is going to show up for you in a way that you never expected. If you feel like you don't know if you're supposed to be here or not, and you're on the fence, honestly, put it out into the universe and put the plan and start trying to make it happen. And if it's supposed to happen, it's going to happen.
There's no community of Cake Sisters out there at all. This is the only community there is. And this is truly the only community where I want to be. In Real Life Retreat provided the opportunity for us to grow together, to bond, and to be true sisters in business.